Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. It's 5 o'clock, Wednesday, 5 o'clock, and just going to go for a short walk and see what's going on around the town at this time of the day. So I haven't been on since Sunday. I posted last on Monday, but I've been laid up for 2 days in bed. Something hit me and it just completely knocked me out. I'm not 100% better now, but I need to come out, do some walking and get some steps in. So probably nothing special, just to walk along the front and into the town and just see what's going on at 5 PM here in Blackpool. Yeah, spent 2.5 days in bed, so I'm not 100%, but I know fresh air works wonders. So I've come out for a quick walk, but of course when you lay in bed for nearly 2.5 days you feel weak as a kitten, so I've hardly eaten anything either. So yeah, short walk. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you for everybody recently that's watched the channel. Hit the like button and subscribe, I appreciate that. Well, it all looks nice and calm here, doesn't it? Doggies on the beach. It's very calm out there, isn't it? Very calm. Oh, they've got the chain up again because the tide's coming in. But we'll sneak over and just do a walk on that front bit there, shall we? I like to get right down on the seafront. And probably tannoy will go off now. They have cameras and a tannoy goes off sometimes. Somebody was asking me about fireworks, bonfire night or something like that, and I said I'd find out any information. I will mention this again, but if you are in Blackpool on the 5th of November, Blackpool Cricket Club is holding a bonfire display, and there's food stalls there and so forth. Blackpool Football Club is about, from the town centre, it's a 5-minute drive or a 20-minute walk. So they've got a big event on. It's been going for years, so it's quite a popular event. The cost of it is £6 per person or £18 for a family of 4, 2 adults and 2 children. So I know there's a few people have been asking me, is there anything going on? I think there's something going on at the Pleasure Beach, but I don't know any details of that one. But somebody might want to go to the Blackpool Cricket Club. It's next to Stanley Park. Honestly, it's so calm and quiet standing against this wall. I'm just thinking about it. This video is probably going to be the same as the last one I done that went out on Monday, the Sunday afternoon walk, so I apologise for that, but I can't venture too far. I just haven't got the energy. But if we're better tomorrow, we'll do something different. But every day is different in Blackpool anyway, isn't it? There's something nice screaming at it. And then the beer monsters over there. Oh, dear oh me. Yes. So try and do a few night videos as well for you, not just the Saturday night ones around the town. Try and do something in the week as well. This video is just about popping on and saying hello and just see what's going on. Tea time Wednesday. As you can probably see from the sky, it's very grey, but it's so still. Again, there's people in coats, but to me it's just what I call sweatshirt hoodie weather to me. It's certainly good to get out anyway and get some fresh air, without a doubt. And of course tonight we've got the Blackpool show. It's on for 2 weeks in Blackpool, which is really nice. And they've been adding a bit more as the years go by. I didn't realise it was the 15th today, otherwise I would have come out this evening. But yes, it starts this evening where it's all lit up, and it's another part of the illuminations on as well. It's a separate part of the Blackpool event. So yeah, if you're about here in the next couple of weeks, on the front you've got some additional lights to look at. And I apologise, I didn't know it was a date, otherwise it would have come out later on, but not tonight, I'm afraid. A few people over there waiting for the music to start later on. A tiger on top of that car there. They seem to have added a few more different things, but it doesn't look very exciting, does it, in the daytime? But I'm sure tonight it will look good. I was going to take you on to Central Pier, but I'm going to leave it until it's dark this week, and we'll do a walk on there this week. That was my next plan, but just energy levels aren't brilliant. Yeah, I will come up and show you this Blackpool event, but there'll be some YouTubers out tonight showing it, so I'm sure it'll be a good display on top of the illuminations going on. Karen, how are you? Yeah, not bad, love. Yeah, it was even me that told a few of you that the festive trams are out during the Blackpool festival as well. All the tram tours and the, you know the ones I mean, the boats and the trains all lit up, which happy to see out again after they are struggling. The heritage trams are struggling financially, they don't get the support, but yeah, they're going to be out as well. But it's not for me tonight, I'm afraid. And the scaffolding's down on Nando's now. Now, I've never had a Nando's. I've heard it's overpriced and overrated, but I don't know. Now, can you tell me, people that have been in this building before, it's always had 2 floors on it? Because I didn't know it had 2 floors on it. But I don't know. But no, I'm not eating it in there. Yeah, it's a funny old time of day, this, isn't it? In the middle of the week, there ain't a lot going on, which I didn't think there would be, but... Oh, look. Blackpool Church is having some work done on it, some scaffolding up there. Britain's Got Talent going on in there. I don't know whether it's finished for the day or not. I don't know what hours it runs, to be honest with you. Oh, doesn't this look gloomy? No chairs outside, no people drinking. Just put my head inside, Abingdon Street Food Hall. Wow, even this is quiet as well. A bit of a traffic jam going on here in Topping Street. Cookson Street here. This is still only one way at the moment due to the pipe works being done with the demolition as well. Yeah, so this is Charles Street. They're getting on, knocking down that first row of houses. Yeah, that's a row over there. It's a long process, this. Very long process. The tower's just lit up over there. You won't be able to see it because it's not dark enough, but I can see it's lit up, yeah. And we're just up by Sainsbury's now. And don't forget, if she's electric, bring her here. And there's another display of the Blackpool Festival there. Useless me showing you in the bloody daytime before it started. I just forgot. Yeah, just over there, as you know, the Ministry of Defence. New buildings going up, putting the second big concrete block in there. Right, I'll leave this video here. If you have watched to the end, thank you very much, and if you've enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button if you don't mind again. And yeah, sorry it's a bit sameish as the last video. Like I said, I've been laid up for 2.5 days. I just wanted to come out and get some fresh air. But all being well, we can do something different tomorrow. But thank you everybody, and I shall catch you all again very soon. Bye bye for now.